Mama wakwaba wo frame me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ye yinenim policy bia His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ya bejiga na hanimi na afa eye free SHS na ebusuafo free SHS no Ghana fo bebre ekyerese ye bebre so ekyerese enye because ebae no eye double track beam bebre na complain say mo from aduane a omudi enye ene ensem bebre na free SHS ne bae no first time a omudi nkan ko free SHS no memi nuanom girls too omukobe mechiba ena nechiba too Abigail ena Benis omu no omko free SHS but omko no mekai ade ye toy pa aye provisions enko school atare books bibia school ni provide the first time emu ye pa enti any fi honum na second batch omo aircon no ena headmasters na headmistress no hu ze da bi aban no ti say Ghana ha no bia ye kronfo enya politicians nkro o education sector make education sector make education bibia involve in education we ya kronfo health sector omo ya kronfo private sector say we Ghana obia your kronfo obia fa che oman na kase yatim no nyo oman no hu na nipa adwin o hwe Ghana ha omo dwen oman ho omo ye good citizens omo ye oman ba pa Ghana ho da dwen do omo akoma so ye che say 100% a ye nyemu 1.1 impo emu 99.991 billion o sahe no obia adwin ye fo na labusuafo ho kron obia bokro no wo Ghana ha no e wo kwan bia so na nka beba ne say na akodidi wo restaurant Vortic and I say bottled water medium size or turn the club 3 cedis what on restaurant 15 cedis adanya e ho restaurant into obi ya kronfo it headmasters in headmistress what na so hu ze da bi ye nya kron ne bo ene na so mu je ene prospectus na o meye no enyema awofo beto no be 5 billion and Ghana for complaining na free SHS ni ba ye nkanyo na NPP for ha de no wasem no mana mo de policy aba mo implement it mo by 7 years ni free SHS 7 years na mo fra ko awo for complaining ye to nyema bebre mu ante ye ba be ko election year nti no mo akasa afede education ministry no e de omo akasa nyema mo fra ne ntaba bonte beboa ebi no mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ye no abra eda dum som ayesu emofra ewu businesses e collapse amanfo cost o ese no mampenda da John Dramani Mahama so ayo dwemfo onte ti edu 2016 na ye to aba no e na o se ma solve dum so na amamo ti se ye wo short memory nti na ato amamo nti Ghana politicians ne de ye kwa hohihie ma ye ho kire ye no ye kasa amonte emom no mo time be du no ma me kan ko se afa education ministry na kasa no what one yama aba am ofra nto nti yen last born me na mde no call school last week Monday this week ana Monday me na mde no call school ni nyama ye toy kakra bi ni de no provision score mattress kra se woni ska beto bi aba oba okwa school ni provide obi mattress o mbeda so nti mo say His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo enye dey Ghana full complain no na movement TV untumi political talk show omo yan every morning bia omo ekyerese aho na Ghana for omo kasa omampene da John Dramani Mahama na NDC for omo se mobile be review na free SHS fa akosi ya na den mo be ni ye no northern region from France ye ka je mo say common aduane a omo ntimi en provide nti mo to school mo saake won se won bre fee because omo nche school fees na omo provide omo aduane say wait say mo se won ye won dey aduano feeding fee keke korabo ntimi antua na His Excellency wa fa bibia e na mo se dey no yenti nsem a wode etudwa
na ye wo was ne etra so to table ne etra
table tintin no
na bread omo de machine twitwa na wuti anye na konya table head de won pe wasa wo yi eto had baako no yi to na to had de no flat e bo hwa to say wo yesi a wo bo won saka se eti wo yi ha baako yi
ka bom no de ama
kuta wo se na wo de disuo
hwe
e mo ne nkwan Would and Quanu go a mono soa 30 seconds ma who quine no a monocrackle and answer. And so like the funny gas. Your dear survival. And for dear your wife very bad. I want Jessica. Your Jessica, but we survived. Miss Ramon. A honor more quite and your part. Now, Papa, difficult. Papa, I don't know. Papa, oh, Eddie. Montomo.
Me say had been John under the presidency of John Dramani Mahama. Gordon, now the northern regions pay. And education. Me say almost school it me delay na asia ha for na bie. Na no the region for school. Adentia. Scared better be na mo madura. And na enkola millions and eco school. About 1.3 million. And eco school free. Buy from hoka and school atade and mom house dress and na awofo krantua PTA dues. Na enuti enkrofo kasa na to da bi na ohwe a eya na ya ne ma ne ya na se go no onipa na oye de kese no say nipa no wo school fees no wo di about 10 cedis kura ontimi ntia
ne ba betena fie enso ye kan
wo di school fees no about 10 cedis say nipa no ontimi ntia
tie o ka say ya dia close bi no 14th January 2014 83 SHS delay reopening due to lack of feeding grant. 83 SHS delay reopening due to lack of feeding grant. Where January 14th, 2014, John Mahama was the president. Professor General Opokwajima was the education minister. All the 83 senior high schools in the 3 regions of northern Ghana have partially reopened by admitting only final year students. The inability of the SHS to admit all students on the reopening day is as a result of the non-payment of 2 terms feeding subsidies owed them by the government. Feeding subsidy. Subsidy. It is a buying to now for swap. The affected schools include 44 in the northern region, 23 in the upper east region, and 16 in the upper west region. 44 schools in northern region. I want to Mahama free. In the publication last week, the Daily Graphic reported the possible shutdown of SHS in the northern regions following the delay in the payment of their feeding subsidies. However, Minister of Finance and Economic Planning, Setepe, has given an assurance that the arrears will be paid within 2 weeks. He assured the public of the commitment of the government to provide quality education at all levels of education. Charles President. In an interview with the Daily Graphic, the Northern Regional Chairman of the Conference of Heads of Assistant Schools, Alhaji Tahiru Abdurrahman Mahama, said the schools were unable to admit both the Form 1 and Form 2 students due to the lack of funds to cater for their feeding. Na feeding po.
John Mahama.
Eduane keke ombe die nti John Mahama ma ya to school mu.
Adapafo.
But and kwai ko school eduane keke.
Dabi
eduane entade school books.
Bibia
mo nyina.
Adapafo.
Me etua PTA dues.
3 SHS buy me ba. Mia na me so ninsa. And I'm doing a call. SG guess. I want tonso.
It's also.
We didn't go do and never can claim my tutorial. No. And on the house mistress, no. Or buy no better cleaning in our in eye in touch. Ya man is clear idea. Ya mano we Friday way. Ya mano Sunday. Just I mean my some I'm saying. Enti akwara ba ko dia manu ni o. Na akwara bebrebe we o mo Ghana.
Obi ade.
Mo ntimi anya bie mo ya dapafo nti. Ya me ka kire mo. Adwene a na me de man nipa no ma obi adwene. But obi ntimi di ni die bibi papa. Obi ntimi fa ni die nya bibi papa. NDC fo adwene no omo mfa nya de pa. Omo de dwena adwene bone. E na MPP fo so omo de be dwena adwene pa. Omo de be ya de pa. Eni nti eno no ha mo. Nti ni ma bi wo ha. Wo ya Ghana ni. Na ma NDC fo e be gyina be keka nsem we kire na ogidi a. Fa ni se wo de abanya hwe ma. Oba nu ko school wo so twa ni lorry fe keke ama. 100
but ya dafu bia.
Enfazo ni so.
E fe amevo or so or keta no wo hwe yin. Was say my son is at preset Legon. The headmaster has thrown a challenge to parents to walk in and test students' food at the dining hall at any time.
Good.
according to my son, the food is of high quality.
Me see.
What's up, Pana catch up? Must say headmaster catch up. Must say, a parent be a woody and credit and engine. And there be a pebia. What if I trebra? The favorite word and
God, me say.
Brian,
Brian, Brian, Brian, Brian,